Hi everyone, Victor here. Two things that I forgot to mention on the last video. If you guys notice the quality of this image, it's kind of blurry, and that is not what I'm looking for. So in Canvas on the CSS, you can define the image rendering to be pixelated or crisp edges. So if I save this, let me close this. If I save this, now we're dealing with square pixels with no anti-aliasing. The second thing that I want to show is the resolution of the image. Since we're running a physics simulation, I mean that it's not real physics simulation, but since we are running for each pixel on the screen, we might just sample down the resolution, right? So to get better performance out of the machine. So here I define the resolution variable where if I set it to 1, it means I want 100% of the resolution. So you guys won't even be able to see this really tiny pixels floating on the screen. That's because we are dealing with a full, my notebook is full HD, so it's very large, the resolution. So I don't want that. I want only 10%, right? 10% of the resolution. Yeah. So now we can paint out the rain or whatever. The second thing that I add was the water simulation. Okay, let's start it again. With sand, it just piles up, right? You can make a pile of sand, a mountain, as you can say. And with water, it flows and kind of fills the recipient, right? Yeah. I mean, I think this is pretty cool, but I'm gonna be honest, it's way more complex than I thought it would be. But for instance, if I pour sand on top of water, that's not the expected behavior, right? You expect the sand to sink in the water, and that's not what is happening right now, so I need to fix that. But yeah, it's late and I don't feel like working on this anymore. So yeah, I decided to record this video just to show my progress. I think it's kinda cool. I'll probably release this code as it is and come back to it when I feel like it, because let's face it, it's not very useful for a lot of things, but it's kinda cool. We still can have red sand and also green sand. Yeah, the way this works is I have a dictionary of elements and I can define which type of material it is, sand or water, and what color it has. And here I have a evaluation method, a class evaluate, that knows how to evaluate sand and how to evaluate water. And on in here I tell the program to evaluate the map. Here I transform the map to an image. That's what you guys are seeing here. Yeah, it's not very complex code, but yeah, it can get tricky, as you guys can see over here. Lots of if and else, that kind of stuff. I think I have to implement some kind of priority, so sand could sink to the bottom of water I don't know. I'll take a look at this another time. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool as it is. That's it for me, guys. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.